We are releasing today a new version of BarbaChart, the BarbaChart race script for After Effects. In this new version, there are some very useful new parameters you can play with, plus a number of bug fixes. Oh, spoiler alert. In the coming weeks, we will be adding a new type of chart to our plugin. You will be able to do bar chart races with both positive and negative numbers. Imagine the possible applications. In sports stats, for instance, or anything else. But let's get back to the current version, where you can create bar chart races with positive numbers and donut chart races. First of all, let's upload a CSV data file with the data we want to animate. Then let's create the bar chart race. If you go to the layer, you can see that there are 4 new parameters with which you can modify the size of the labels, the size of the values, the left border and the right border. Of course, the old parameters remain available, so you will still be able to customize your bar chart race. Did I catch your attention? Well, follow the links in the description to get BarbaChart and start playing.